To integrate Bill for Time with your payroll system, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Bill for Time account and a payroll system that supports integration. Step 1. Log into your Bill for Time account and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, select the Payroll Integration option and choose your payroll provider from the list of available integrations. Step 2. Enter your payroll provider credentials to authorize the connection between Bill for Time and your payroll system. This will allow Bill for Time to access your payroll data and synchronize it with your time and billing information. Step 3. Configure the integration settings to determine how your payroll data will be synchronized with Bill for Time. This may include setting up mapping rules to match your payroll codes with Bill for Time codes, and specifying the frequency of data synchronization. Step 4. Test the integration to ensure that your payroll data is being synchronized correctly with Bill for Time. You can do this by running a test sync and verifying that the data is accurate and up to date. Step 5. Once you have confirmed that the integration is working correctly, you can start using Bill for Time to manage your payroll and time tracking in a single system. This will help streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. Best practices for Bill for Time payroll integration include regularly reviewing and updating your integration settings, monitoring data synchronization for errors, and using the integration to automate payroll tasks and reduce manual entry. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Bill for Time with your payroll system and improve your overall time and billing management process. This will help you save time, reduce costs, and increase productivity, allowing you to focus on growing your business.